What's happening, Miss Kate?
Not
How are you?
Good,
Girls,
how are you?
guys doing this morning? Good?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. I wanted to tell you guys about a meeting I had last night at the Garden Club. I was talking to a couple of our clients who were over there, a couple of women I was talking to. They brought it up to me, which I think is a good idea. They said, hey, what are you guys going to be doing come spring? I said, well, we're going to be doing a lot of lawn sprinkler VIPs. There's a lot of old systems we have. We've been in business 42 years here in Crofton. A lot of people know we've been in this building since 1996. And they brought up, hey, could we get on the list? I said, yeah, we're going to offer that out. So anyway, I came up with this last night. They sold two of them already. A third down, if you want to get a lawn sprinkler VIP, if you have an existing lawn sprinkler system, it's more than 70 years old. New technology is well worth it. You're going to save that right off the water bill. And then your wastewater charges, we're right here in Anne Arundel County. Everybody has to pay wastewater charges. You get that eliminated by our smart technology we're using right with the Hydro controller.
Yes.
So what they agreed to last night, and they're going to send in their checks today or call you with the credit card, is I told them we'll do a third down now of the total. A third the day we do it, which will probably be next month, a couple of weeks since the snow's gone. Snow's going to be gone. March is coming, okay? Then the third in 30 days after.
Yep.
Okay?
That's a good idea to help people financially be able to.
Yeah, it breaks down the payments for them, right? Because they want to get it done, but some people don't have $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 laying around. But if they can do it in monthlies, right?
And then what I'd like to do for the first 9 people that sign up.
First 9?
Let's send them a gift card for $100 for 2 people to go out to dinner, and then.
Is this similar to what we did for the lawn sprinkler?
Yes.
For renewals, the gold and silver?
Yeah, and that was a really good idea because we had at least like almost 1,000. I think
1,000 people signed up for that?
Yeah.
Is that true, Dick?
Yeah, it was really successful.
Okay. So people like that.
Yeah.
So now what your idea is, tell me again, slow. I'm a little slow, you know what I mean?
The first 9 people to.
The first 9.
Buy a VIP upgrade, we can give them a dinner for 2, which is a $100 gift certificate somewhere out to eat, and then we can throw in.
So that could be a gift card, you thinking?
A gift card, yeah. And then 2 movie tickets, so 2 gift cards to go to the
Now,
movie.
what was the first deal we did back in December? That was what? One movie pass for a sign up?
Yes. Or our gift card was for movies and a dinner, so you got to pick which one.
Okay, so now we're going to
For
mostly
25.
double that.
Yeah.
Since it's a higher value and people loved it. And it's a good deal.
Yeah.
We're showing back their loyalty back to people, right?
Yeah. Like
In gratitude for our folks.
Yeah.
We have a lot of customers over 30 years, you know what I mean? I got some generations, we're on the 3rd generation of people that keep moving to house, and they, we reward people to help us, help them.
Yep.
Okay, so for the first 9 people to sign up, they can do a payment down, 1/3 down, 1/3 when we perform this end of February into March, and then another third 30 days after.
Yes.
And you're saying you want to do the first 9 to sign up
yeah.
is a 2 movie passes this time
2 movie
and a
passes.
$100 gift card for them for the
Yep.
movie. That's a good deal.
For dinner.
For dinner, I mean,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, that's a good deal.
So they
All right.
they make out good. They get their lawn sprinkler updated, and they get a movie night or a reason to go out to dinner and a movie.
It's not a bad deal.
else?
Okay. All righty. We'll talk to you guys soon. If you guys are interested in this, give one of these lovely ladies a call here at the office, 410-721-2342. Hit the link below for more details. If you have any questions, give us a call. Again, we thank everybody loyal to us 42 years. We'll talk to you guys.